Hi, this is Fred Niemann of Hanlon Niemann, a central New Jersey law firm practicing municipal court in traffic laws in many of the counties of our state. I want to talk to you today about traffic accidents and what is your legal obligation to report a traffic accident, the failure of which will result in you being summoned by the police. Recently I had a case, and I've had several cases in the last 6 months involving elderly clients who've been involved in what I'll call fender benders. They're in a parking lot, they back up, they hit another car. They don't stop, they don't report it, they drive away. Lo and behold, they get their friendly officer knocking on the door telling them that they're going to be issued a summons for failure to report an accident. And the truth is, you can be summoned for such a incident like that because New Jersey law does require that if you are involved and you know you've been involved in an accident with a car, a truck, or any other motor vehicle, you have an obligation to immediately stop or to return as soon as possible to the scene of the accident, particularly when there is property damage or there has been personal injury involved. You're required to turn over your name, your address, a copy of your driver's license, registration, insurance card to the other driver, and the police are supposed to be summoned so that they can prepare a traffic report. But what's most serious about this type of situation is what happens if you don't do those things. Well, the answer is you can lose your license for 6 months on the very first offense and for up to a year or more on a second and subsequent offense by not reporting the accident. So if you're involved in an accident and you know there's property damage, my advice to you is to immediately respond and do your best to contact the other driver. If you are summoned by a police officer or by a court for failure to report it, I want you to give me a call. We've had a couple of these cases just in the last several weeks, particularly relating to our elderly clients. We know how to handle them. We'll do our best to try to get the fine and penalty to a minimum.